guys, my name is Tarasova and this is Pukhля. Today we will make very simple recipe monkey bread. Do you know what is monkey bread? It is very simple and funny type of brioche. For the recipe we will need butter, warm milk with vanilla, sugar and salt, yeast and flour. This is a glass brioche. For the first step, I mix my yeast and warm milk. And now I mix all my ingredients except butter in the machine with a hook. This is my dough after 7 minutes mixing in the machine. And now, little by little, I will add my butter. So now my dough is ready. It's very soft and tender now. I will put inside my bowl. Covering with a towel. And we will leave it for 1-2 hours. So look how it's growing up after 1 hour. It's so soft. We already prepared my molds. I spread with butter, sugar and cinnamon. You can use any kind of molds, like this and like this. So I can start to work with my dough. For this I will take small piece of my dough size of walnuts. I take the bowl, after I put to the butter, and after I put to the sugar with cinnamon, and after I put inside the mold. At this moment, if you want, you can put inside berries or chocolate. But I will put my berries on the top between layers. From this dough, I have 2 molds of fuji monkey bread. Now I will cover it with a towel. And I will leave it for 1 hour more. And after 1 hour, look at this cutie, guys. ready for baking. 180 degrees, 30-40 minutes. And guys, it's ready. I will put monkey bread on my favorite plate. It looks so amazing. I would like to put on the top a little bit icing sugar glaze. It's very simple, I just mix all together and that's all. Are you ready, guys, for degustation? We with Пухля ready. Bon appetit! Cook with me!